Hi, I'm Maddie Robinson, a sophomore from Drake University, and I'm on ASB South Mississippi Biloxi.
So, Maddie, what are you doing here at the Boys and Girls Club?
We are going to furnish it. We have a ton of boxes to unpack that have foosball tables, bookshelves, like everything that you can possibly imagine. Computers, we're going to build a computer lab this week. We're just going to make it ready to open, I think June 1st for the 800 kids that actually use this facility. So it's kind of a big deal because this is where their families can come back and have this part of the area again.
Cool. So, what is that in your hand?
This is Callie Capolis. She is the president of Alpha Phi, and she was supposed to come with us, but she was diagnosed with mono last Tuesday, so she unfortunately could not come right away. But she is a Boys and Girls Club lover, so I brought her with me to the site so she can help us out, and I'm sure she's going to contribute her load to the extreme. So we're very excited to have her.
Thank you.
Bye.